Welcome class 5. This is your revision classes are going on. So today as we have completed yesterday our the second chapter growing plants. Now today I will revise the exercise question whatever it is given in the exercise, and inside question whatever I have given in the e-portal, you kindly write down the answers and send it to me in the e-portal. Okay. Now let's start the exercise question. First one is tick the correct answer, that is MCQ questions. So the first question, xanthium seeds are dispersed by. So three alternatives are given here: air, animal and water. What it would be? It would be animal. As we know, the xanthium have some spiny hooks and they just attaches to the animal and it is carried by the animal. So it is the answer is animal. Second question goes, which of the following is a rabi crop? So there is a wheat, rice and maize. So what will be the second answer? The first answer is animal. And the second answer, which of the following is a rabi crop? Wheat, rice and maize. These alternatives are given. So the correct answer is A, wheat. Now the third question or the third MCQ is given. If we want to grow a new bryophyllum plant, we need to search its buds on the which place? Alternatives are roots, stem and leaves. As we know, in the notches of the leaf, these bryophyllum leaves or they produces new type of plant or vegetative through the vegetative propagation. So the answer should be leaves. The third answer is leaf. Now the fourth question or the fourth MCQ is, if you want to grow wheat crop, you will grow its seeds in the month of which month? We know November to it just moves. If we move in a rabi crop, it is from November to April. So the rabi crop when we have to sow, it is the answer is November. So the first answer of the A is the option, or you can write November. Okay. Now these all are the MCQ answers, and through the revisions you can revise all the answers. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Now the second question or the B part of the question is fill in the blanks. So the first fill in the blank, first one is dash are called evergreen plants. Alternatives are plants and seeds. Naturally, plants are our green friends, or you can say plants are called our green friends. Green friends. Now if we'll move to the second question or the second fill in the blanks, dash store food for the baby plant. So which parts? As we know, unless and until baby plants grows into a new plant or the young plant, the cotyledons of the seed always provide food to the young growing plant. So the answer should be cotyledons. So the cotyledons are the place, or you can say it is the storing food for the baby plant. It is stored food. Now the third question, dispersal of balsam seeds takes place in where? So water or explosion. As we know, pea pods are there, cotton pods are there, and as well as the balsam plant is there, which are dispersed through, at the maturity, they are dispersed through explosion. So the answer is explosion. So the dispersal of the balsam is through explosion. Now the fourth fill in the blanks dash is or are added to the soil to provide nutrients. As we know, manure and fertilizers are there which provide extra nutrients in the soil so that soil will become more nutritive and it will provide desired and required minerals to the plant. So the answer should be manure. Okay. So the fourth answer is manure. Manure is or added to the soil to provide nutrients. The last one is the bird of the potato is called, actually the birds are potato are called eyes of the potato. So this is the answer. Fifth one answer is eyes. So that's all for the fill in the blanks. Now I will go for the match. We have to see there are matches, or you just rub this. So we'll see or go through the match. The Kharif crop, column 1. First one is Kharif. So the Kharif crop is actually matches with the cotton, or C, you can say cotton. And the 2 is given Rabi. Rabi crop so the Rabi crop matches with gram. As we know, and this is the production of the Rabi crop, so we have to write the gram. Third match is, we will go for the third match, that is seed dispersal by animal. It will matches with, say dispersal by animal matches with which one? Tiger nail. As the tiger nail has the hooks, so they attaches to the body of the animal and they dispersed by the animal. So the right answer is animal nail. Okay, and that is D option. Now we will go for the baby plant. So the baby plant is actually which one? Baby plant is embryo. So embryo is the baby plant, or you can say a baby plant is hidden in the embryo. Okay. So fourth one is the baby plant which matches with embryo. Baby plant matches with embryo. Which one option is A? This is the A option. Now see the fifth one. This is the seed dispersal by water and it should be coconut. So the seed dispersal and that goes for cocoa nut. Okay, so the seed dispersal by water it should be coconut. Along with this, we will just revise the very short answers and that is name the parts of the seed. What are the names of the parts of the seed? Seed coat, scar, and inside the seed coat parts are cotyledons, embryo, radicle and plumule. So these all are the parts of the seeds we have to write. question number 2. Name 2 seeds that are dispersed by wind. So we know the dispersal of seed in the plants, which seeds are very light in nature. They can only disperse by the wind, or maybe they are having some kind of special structures like the wings, or they are having a tuft of the hair. So these kinds of the structure make the seeds to fly in the air. So what is the answer? Madar and heptage. And the third question, name 2 vegetative parts of a plant. As we know, except the flower, as we know, flower is a reproductive part of the plant, and the other parts are like stem, root, leaves. These all are vegetative parts. So you can write, you can opt any 2 of them. So here I have written leaf and stem. Now the very next question, name 2 plants that grow from their underground stem. As we know, which plants grow underground stem? That is, the answer is, there are so many answers: ginger, turmeric and onion, and you can opt any one of them which are actually underground stem, and they are they are stem, but still they grow inside the soil. Now the next or the fifth question is, which part of the seed contains food for the baby plant? As we know, when we sow the seed and the plumule and the radicle comes out, there is a part of a baby plant, or you can say cotyledons, and at this stage when the plant started to grow, that time cotyledons provide food to the growing plant. So the answer is cotyledon contains food for the baby plant, and once the baby plant changes into the young plant, that time the leaves grow, and these leaves started to prepare the food for the plant. Okay, so that's all for today. Next day I will revise the short answer question from the chapter. So till that, goodbye, and be safe at your home. Stay at your home and do some exercise, revise your things. Till that, goodbye.